Yes, my son, you had something.
Why do the Muslims wear a hood?
Why do they wear a topi or whatever you want to call it? This is, from the religious point of view, in our relationships with God, it's not a necessity. This is not a necessity. But in society, we need an identity. Suppose I meet you in the street, I might think that maybe he's a Tamilian, and if I knew how to say good morning to you in Tamil, I would have said it. Otherwise, now I'm at a loss. That the other guy, like me, who looks like me, the Banya, they are my cousins. See, we are the same race. Banyas and me, I am a Gujarati Muslim. The Banyas are Gujarati Hindus. In our complexions, we are the same. The Banya Hindu and the Banya Muslim is the same. We also have the same surnames, if you know. Muslim Patel, Banya Patel. Muslim Desai, Banya Desai. Muslim Bhula, Banya Bhula. I'm sure you have come across. Right. So what is all this? No, actually we are one people. Now when I see the man in Grey Street, I'm telling you, frankly, I pass the people in Grey Street and a lot of people, they smile at me. Now I don't know whether the guy is a Banya Hindu or a Banya Muslim. I don't know. So I also smile. Because I can't make out. Because I keep on seeing them, their face becomes familiar, as if I know the guy. But now what shall I say? Shall I say Namaste? Shall I say Ram Ram? Shall I say Assalamu Alaikum? I said, what shall I say? So because I'm not sure, I also give a big smile. Now in the West, my people now, because of this problem, they start saying hi, hi, you know, you're 100% okay, you know, hi, you can't say salam babu, salam bhaiya, or you can't say, you say hi becomes universal. So we wouldn't like to lose our culture and tradition. I like to wish you, my son, whether you are an African Muslim, I say assalamu alaikum. If I see you are an Indian, I say assalamu alaikum. Anybody, I go to China, I see somebody, I say assalamu alaikum. And that's an open door for us. So as soon as I say assalamu alaikum, I go to a strange place, Hong Kong. I've been there, Hong Kong, Singapore. And you see anybody say assalamu alaikum, I says, I come from South Africa. Where is the mosque? He says, come, I will take you. Otherwise, I'm asking, excuse me, where's the mosque? So what's that? I don't know, I'm like a fish. If I recognize somebody, immediately I say assalamu alaikum, and his heart and home are open for me. It's like an open sesame, this headgear. So I said, now, for the purpose of recognition that I may wish people, I want my children and my people to have an identity. That, we can wish you assalamu alaikum, it's wa alaikum salam, and immediately it's a bond is created, immediately. I give an example in the tubes in London. I've been sitting so many times, a man across from me, sitting face to face, in the train, in the tubes. And you dare not open your mouth. You don't know how to start. Because it's, excuse me, when you come, look, among us, it's so easy. By God, it's so easy. If I say, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, so where you come from? So he tells me, I come from certain place. Says, I come from South Africa. So where? Where from South Africa? He says, Durban. I said, what do you mean Durban? I come from Durban and I haven't seen you. He said, no, I live here in Springfield like this, like that. Immediate bond. Where you come from? Pakistan. I said, I was also in Pakistan for 3 years. I was in bond, immediate bond. But now, the other guy, because they're not used to that, as soon as I ask, they say, where you come from? He said, well, that's your business. Is that your business? The other guy, I can ask him immediately, our culture. He said, are you married? This young fellow here. He said, no. I said, well, what's wrong with you? Huh? Come on, I'll show you now. There's Mr. Deedat's daughter. No, this is our culture. Are you married? Yes. And the children? Look, this is to us like we are all open book to everybody. We want to know, we want you to know everything about me, and I want to know everything about you. And this does it when I know that this is our cultural background. I can talk to you more freely. Otherwise, I'm afraid. If as soon as I ask you some question, you say, what are you from the inspector? Receiver of revenue? What is it?